Hello students, today we will see the second topic from your book, that is parallel lines and transversal. Now let us recall. The lines in the same plane which do not intersect each other are called parallel lines. Now here they given the lines L and M. If you will see the line L and line M, they are in the same plane and they do not intersect each other. So they are called parallel lines. Means here we are showing the parallel lines by the sign two vertical lines. Line L and line M are parallel lines and it is written as line L. Two vertical lines means this is the parallel sign. Line M. We can read it as line L parallel line M. If the lines they do not intersect each other, then they are known as parallel lines. Now next let us learn. Here they given one figure. Here they showed the parallel lines M N, and here they said that this line L intersects the lines M and N in two distinct points. These points are point A and point B. Means line L intersect line M at point A and line N intersects line L at point B. So line L intersect line M and line N in two distinct points. Line L is a transversal of line M and line N, and whatever line segment you will get, that is known as the intercept. So here AB is the intercept formed by the lines M and N and the transversal L. Now by this the definition of transversal is if a line intersects given two lines in two distinct points, then that line is called a transversal of those two lines. Now we'll see the angles made by a transversal. You can see the figure here. Here in that figure, in the adjoining figure, due to the transversal, there are two distinct points of intersection, namely M and N. At each of these points, four angles are formed. Means nearby point M, you will get the four angles, as well as nearby point N, you will get again four angles. So 4 plus 4 means by this one transversal and two lines you will get the 8 angles. So at each of these points 4 angles are formed. Hence there are 8 angles in all. Each of these angles has one arm on the transversal and the other is on one of the given lines. Means here if you will see, then you will see the figure, then the angles are A, M, Q. Then the angle A, M, P. Then the angle P, M, N. As well as angle Q, M, N. These four angles are related with the transversal and that particular lines. Here they given the lines PQ and line RS, and 80 is the transversal, and these transversal intersect these two lines in the points M and N. Same way we'll get the angles nearby the point N. These angles are MNR or MNS, as well as remaining two angles are TNR or RNT. You can say SNT or TNS. Here we got total 8 angles near the 2 points M and N, which is formed by the transversal AT. So let us study the pairs of these angles. Now these angles are grouped in different pairs of angles. Let us study the pairs. If you will see, these angles are grouped in corresponding angles, interior angles, alternate angles. In alternate angles, there are two types: interior alternate angles and exterior alternate angles. Now we will see the corresponding angles. If the arms on the transversal of a pair of angles are in the same direction and the other arms are on the same side of the transversal, then it is called a pair of corresponding angles. Next is a pair of angles which are on the same side of the transversal and inside the given lines is called a pair of interior angles. Next we will see the pair of alternate angles. Pairs of angles which are on the opposite sides of transversal and their and their arms on the transversal show opposite directions is called a pair of alternate angles. Now in that figure we will see the angles such as corresponding angles, then interior angles and alternate angles. Now I will write here by using, look, I will consider the angle as this upside angle is angle A, then angle B, then angle C, angle D. Okay. After that, I will write the angles by using another color. Here A, B, C, D. Here I will write the angle E, then F, after that G, then H. Okay. Now you can see here the angles. This angle we named as A, then another B, then C, D, E, F, G and H. Now we have to see the pair of corresponding angle. Then we will see the pair of corresponding angle here. Look, the angles. The angle A. Here we had given B, C, D. Then the angle E. F, G. This side's angle B. Then this side's angle F. Okay. After that, here's angle D. And here's angle E, F, G and this angle is H. Okay. Now this angle is C and this angle is G. Now see here, if you will see the figure, here you can see the pairs of corresponding angles. These are angle A and angle E. Then after that means angle A and angle E. Okay. Then angle D and angle H. After that angle B and angle F. Then angle C and angle G. Okay, these are known as the corresponding angles or pairs of corresponding angles. Means upsides two pairs E and E, D and H, B and C, F and G. These are the pairs of corresponding angles. Now next we will see the interior angles. Interior angles means the angles which are inside. Now here I will show these angles. Interior angles are A, B. Here we had written C, then D, then interior angle here is E, and here's F. Now here the angle D and angle E, angle C and angle F. These are the pairs of interior angles. Now which angles remain here? Alternate angles. Now we said that here are two types of alternate angles. These are interior alternate angle and exterior alternate angle. So again I will take the angles. So this is our angle A, this one B, this angle is C, this angle is D, this upside E, then F, below that is G, and this angle is H. Now here we will see the pairs of alternate angles. The pairs of alternate angles. First we will see the pairs of interior alternate angles. The pairs of interior alternate angles are D and F. D and F. Again one more pair remain here, that is C and E. These are the pairs of alternate angles. Next to that there is the pairs of exterior alternate angles. Now exterior alternate angles are A and G as well as B and H. Do you understand these, students? We had seen the pairs of corresponding angles, interior angles and alternate angles. Now from your figure we will see the information given in your book. Pairs of corresponding angles in given figure. I showed the angles by just using one letter. You have to draw these figures in your notebook and write all the angles. Now next we will see the pairs of corresponding angles in given figure. These are angle AMP and angle MNR. Second pair is angle PMN and angle RNT. Third pair is angle AMQ and angle MNS. Fourth pair is angle QMN and angle SNT. These are the corresponding angles pairs from your figure. Now next is the pairs of interior angles. These are angle PMN and angle MNR. And second is angle QMN and angle MNS. Now I said to you there are two types of alternate angles. These are interior angles, interior alternate angles and exterior alternate angles. Here they given the names of that is angle PMN and angle MNS. Second pair is angle QMN and angle RNM. Next, exterior alternate angles are, first is angle AMP and angle TNS, and second one is angle AMQ and angle RNT. Now you have to solve the exercise depend on the pairs of angles. One time again I will explain here the all types of angles. So see here, first we will draw the figures. I will take two parallel lines and the transversal. Okay. Now I will give the name to that parallel lines as M N and transversal L. Now I will show you here the angles made by the transversal near the points. So here we will take that angles as, I will take the angles A, B, C, D. Okay. And another transversals 4 angles are E, F, G, H. Now in this figure we will see the corresponding angles. These are corresponding angles of this figure. These are, I will show by green color. These are A, E, then B, F. Another pair I will show by blue color. See here, D, H, then C, G. These are the 4 pairs of corresponding angles. Now we will see the pairs of interior angles by pink color. I will show it. Angle D and angle E, angle C and angle F. These are the interior angles. Next to that, alternate angles. The interior alternate angles I will show by orange color. So interior alternate angles are D and F, and remaining pair is C and E. Now which angles remain? Exterior alternate angles. This pair I will show by using red color. So here the pair of exterior alternate angle is A and G, then B and H. Like this way you have to keep in mind. Again I will repeat. Here the corresponding angle pair is A, E, B and F, then D, H, C, G. Interior angle pairs are D, E, C, F, and alternate angle pairs are angle D, F, angle C and angle E, as well as exterior alternate angles are angle A, angle G, angle B, angle H. So you have to draw this figure in your notebook. Okay, and solve the exercise depend on this transversal property and the pairs of angles. Okay, thank you. Bye.